Počitovaní prísutní, dámy a gospoda, dear ladies and gentlemen, I am very pleased and honored that I can welcome you, at least in this form, since I am on my duty out of the North Macedonia right now, at the commencement of the International Film Festival Bogorodice and Pokrov. Czech Embassy is long-standing and proud partner of this festival, and we at the Embassy believe that by supporting this festival, we support as well the core values often represented in the unique choice of films from the cultural and spiritual heritage, religion, or in strong personal stories. To this annual edition of the festival, Czech cinematography contributed with 2 films. First, St. Wenceslas and the Protection of the Czech Land, shot by the director Otakar Schmidt, that focuses on our most prominent patron saint of our country. Wenceslas, Václav in Czech. Wenceslav I was the Czech king and is the patron of Bohemia and Moravia and is regarded as the best known Czech saint. He was deeply respected as a pious, moral, educated and intelligent man who promoted the Christian faith and took care of the poor and sick. The second movie, John Amos Comenius by Maximilian Petříček, tells a story of John Amos Comenius, who is considered a father of the modern education. He is one of the most prominent Czechs in our history. You may know that one of the elementary schools in Skopje is named after him. This year, we commemorate an anniversary of 350 years from the death of this teacher of nations. Let me wish the festival many successful years ahead and to stay organized in the unique way it is. I hope that you will enjoy the presentation of all the movies of the festival, and I am sure that we will see each other next year again. Thank you for your attention. Enjoy the movies.